Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, let's take a look again on the Bitcoin market. So the setup that we have discussed a couple days ago with the retracement on the daily intraday charts now is completed. Market has hit the predefined level, as you will see later in this video. And here you could consider the possible taking a short position because all preliminary steps already is done for that. Just to remind you, we're talking about this bearish engulfing pattern on the daily chart. Looks very nice. It's also simultaneously the Russian rings of this top, because market was just jump up, grab the stops above this area and collapsed right back down. This is also strong resistance area. So now when this has happened, we said, well, wait for some pullback on the intraday charts. So market could reach S30% or 618 resistance, we will see. But in general, that will be the pullback inside of the body of this pattern before downward continuation. Approximately the minimal target of this setup is a kind of the ABC top T pattern, somewhere around 86, 87, as we said in the previous report. So this will be minimal target. It doesn't mean that market can't go lower. It is possible, but that's just the most probable target, as you could focus. On the way up, market also has formed the multiple bearish grabbers. So every time it has touched this MACD lines, you can see it's multiple grabbers have been formed. So invalidation point of this setup will be right here, above this area. But at the same time, I think that we could focus on the close standing target. Market right now mostly stands at the invalidation point. Hash rate, as you can see, also has dropped recently, down from the top. So that in general also doesn't contradict the idea of the possible downward action here. So here we could keep an eye only on these patterns that we already discussed. We said this will be ABCD pattern right to agreement. So market stands in the agreement 99.85. Here is the perfectly ABCD pattern has been completed. It creates an agreement, and market now stands in the pullback up down from this. So from the idea of this setup, currently market has no reasons to continue upward action. That's why any action above this area, above the 10 even, returning back to these previous areas, suggests that this trading setup stands under dangers of the failure. Because normally market should start dropping right from the agreement area. Because normally ABCD retracement is done, it is done around the major resistance, and that is sufficient to turn any bearish market down. If market doesn't turn down, it means that it's not bearish. That's simple. And that's why I think that that will be invalidation point for this trading step. So jump above this area, starting to return back to the previous top probably will happen fast, because market stands too long with this, as you can see, very small trading ranges. Day by day it was very small candles, and it needs some relief of the energy, so it should be happening in one or other direction. Based on this setup, it should happen down, but well, that makes me think that that will be an invalidation point. Here's we will get either the fast upward action or market start dropping. And that's the point where you need to take the decision. If you would like to take part in this trade, so you could consider taking the short position with the stop somewhere above this area. If you're not ready for that, or you have the bullish view, well, you need to wait for the two things. Either when the setup will be done, it means that market will drop back to the 86, 87 area. This A, B, C top D pattern will be completed, or if this setup will fail. For example, if market will jump above that area, starts moving higher, that tells you that setup is failing, and probably you should be ready for upward continuation. So, but currently market stands in the point where the setup should be over, either in a proper way or it will fail. But this is definitely the point where we will get the clarity.